Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure retirement savings with Principal Financial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Principal Financial website. Click on the Retirement tab located in the main navigation menu. Select Retirement Savings from the drop-down options. Next, choose the type of retirement account you wish to configure. Options may include a 401k, IRA, or other retirement plans. Once you've selected your account type, click on the corresponding link for more details. Read through the information provided about your chosen retirement account. Locate and click the Get Started button to begin the configuration process. You will be prompted to create an online account if you do not have one. Fill in the required personal information to register. After registering, log into your Principal Financial account. Navigate to the Retirement Savings section in your account dashboard. Select the option to set up or configure your retirement savings account. Fill out the necessary details, such as contribution amounts and investment preferences. Review the investment options available based on your risk tolerance. Consider utilizing any automated tools offered for portfolio management. Once you have made your selections, review all information for accuracy. Finally, submit your configurations to finalize your retirement savings setup. You will receive a confirmation of your submission via email. Keep this confirmation for your records for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.